a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. $396 underneath the hood that is paired up with a automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, has had a repaint to red with the black stripes. Take a look at the front chrome in the bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, be able to see the undersides, interior, engine bay. Check out this whole car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the Krager SS chrome wheels. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, B&M shifter. See an aftermarket stereo there. It does power up, as playing with it just a bit ago. That's why it's on. Did not get any sound out of it, but it does power up. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few extras that are going to go with this is the fan shroud. We also have the door molding, an extra oil filter. There's some header insulation in that box also. So that will be included. Go in the box with this car. Once again, check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Condition of the paint shows well. One of those you can take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You may find some imperfections here and there, but overall it does show well. Nice gloss to it. It's a little bit of a nick down there. Again, may have some minor things. There was a little bit of checking back here in the paint. But you see the reflection of the sign coming off the deck lid there. All right, let me slip in here. We're going to start this up, let you hear it run. Little aftermarket tack on the steering column. Again, $396. I'm going to let it warm up. It's a little cold-blooded, I noticed earlier. As you can see, that aftermarket tack is working. So stereo power's up. Not get any sound. I did not get the wipers to work. Aftermarket gauges, oil pressure, water temp, voltmeter. There we go. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. A little low-B idle to it. Listen to that. Up to the front, pop this hood, we'll check out that engine bay, see the big block, and wrap this video up. Here's a shot underneath the hood. That big block, $396. Power steering, power brakes. This is an Edelbrock carb, FYI. Electronic ignition. Heater hose is still hooked up, if you can see that. '69 Chevrolet Chevelle Sport Coupe for two-door hardtop. $396 underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we are in a 1969 Chevelle. As you can see, we've got a large tachometer attached to the column, which works. Speedometer is working well. blinker indicator, but it does work. Fuel gauge is reading. Water temp is around 150 right now. The volts are over 14. There's a triple gauge cluster down low. Shows volts, water, and oil. Oil pressure is about 60 right now. That's about 60 miles an hour. Runner. The radio does not put out sound, however it is lit up. It's an Alpine aftermarket head unit. Right blinker indicator works. Brakes straight. Drive straight, there's no alignment issues. Rides real nice. Blower motor does work. Cruising at 55 miles an hour. Brakes are as you'd expect. Plenty of exhaust note, which is good. Car handles well. Wipers do work.